Excited na ibinahagi ni Chris Aquino ang mga changes sa kanilang buhay na kung saan ay ready na nga niyang ipakita ang update at nangyayari sa kanila. Kaya naman sa kanyang kwento, doon ay nagbigay si Chris ng tila introduction na kung saan ay makikitang nagpunta siya sa ospital para sa isang CT scan. Kwento ni Chris, on purpose matagal akong hindi nag-upload. I have to admit, if I told you what was happening, some of you may stop praying because my autoimmune diseases were increasing in number and my life-threatening ailments needed me to make a brave choice. Trust me, it's difficult to accept every night when I sleep that there may be no tomorrow for me. Doon ay kinuwento rin ni Chris na nagpapasalamat siya sa napakabuting mga kaibigan na pinatuloy siya sa isang beach property para doon nga ay ma-regain ang kanyang strength. Kwento ni Chris, my almost 2 months stay in this private beach property owned by a kind and generous family who want me to regain my health as well as strengthen my faith in God's merciful healing power. I came to a decision. I have another 6 to 8 hour infusion session in 6 days. It's one of the strongest autoimmune immunosuppressants together with my two other. One taken daily and one given via injection will totally wipe out my immunity. I will be preventive isolation for 6 months. Doon ay kinuwento rin ni Chris na lilipat na siya ng tirahan at ito nga ay sa Tarlac. I will live in our compound in Tarlac. My Cojuangco cousins and I fondly call it Alto. Where is Kuya? Since the deaths of his Lola Cory, Lola P, and Tito Noy seeing me frail, weak, often attached to my IV drip, Kuya is traumatized, visibly shaking, repeating, Mama get well, I love you. For now, he's living with my genuinely super loving cousin. Beam, now 18, has sacrificed much to take care of me. He is heaven's gift, my optimistic adult who reminds me I should never surrender. After a few more scheduled tests and treatments and my recuperation, Beam and I are ready to reveal all and show you everything for the first time. Please continue praying, kailangan na kailangan ko. Doon ay nagpasalamat din si Chris sa mga doktor ng St. Luke's at BGC na patuloy na inaalagaan siya. Thank you to both Makati Med and St. Luke's BGC, my doctors, their fellows and residents, the nurses assigned to me in the hospitals, my personal nurses, the many skilled technicians operating the high-tech machinery, and all who continue to believe gagaling pa rin ako. Samantala nangako naman ng mga followers at fans ni Chris na patuloy nilang ipagpipray ang kanyang tuluyang paggaling.